everyone, welcome to Vanita Gaja Vlogs. Welcome back to Vanita Gaja Vlogs. And today we are here for shopping
because
because tomorrow I'm traveling to my hometown. Not my hometown, basically I'm traveling to my parents' house, and they do not know about it.
yes,
It's a
surprise.
surprise. So we have come here just for teeny mini shopping, and then we'll go back, pack bags, and we'll show you tomorrow how their faces are.
Yes,
By the way, he's like trying to burst my prank. He's trying to burst my
I
surprise.
won't burst.
I hope.
Yeah, yeah.
I hope he
It was
doesn't.
my plan only.
Yeah, it was his
Yeah,
plan, but
but you will be executing it. Yeah, this
because
time.
he's not accompanying, he's like,
Yeah,
don't do it without me.
correct.
And he's like, let's not plan the surprise. Let's say at least to some people, but
Yes,
I'm glad we are doing it.
yes.
I'm
I'm
doing
excited
it.
to see the surprised faces or shocked faces. So let's see tomorrow.
Yeah.
I'll be waiting
I'll
for the vlog.
yeah, I'll walk you through the every step so that you can capture. I can capture and you can see. Okay,
Yes.
let's do some shopping. Bye. Now finally I've started to airport. It's around 9:10. We're a little late. We're supposed to start by 8:30, but you know, he's always late. I'm always fast. But today I was also late. Do you have anything to say?
You're going to Maike.
Yes. Micah.
Okay, Maika. You must be very excited.
He's not even shaved his beard, saying that, I have to look sad because you're leaving me and going. So I have stayed without him for a month. So this time he will be staying without me for 10 days, and I'm excited. I guess he will understand my value and he'll treat me more better.
Is it 10 days? You're sure?
After that you will have company, no? That is why.
Okay, we'll see.
So 10 days will be all alone, doing everything on your own.
Yes.
Hopefully I will not do much nagging on the phone, and I will not bother him much on the phone. I'm thinking not to, but let's see what's going to happen.
Yes.
Bye bye.
You say slow down. I don't like to move too fast. It drowns the truth with things that are not real, and I really want us to be
So it's been 11:20. It's 11:20 now. I just finished everything, including check-in, security check, my washroom. I've been standing since 9:45 till 11:25. So yeah, it's too tiring. But because of that, how much ever nervousness I was feeling, it's all gone. I was very nervous, by the way. I don't know for what reason, but I have been nervous. Also, maybe because I'm traveling alone after like 1.5 years, and after that Air India incident, and my husband has been ridiculously insecure about this thing. So I think his insecurity has touched, is contagious, so it's passing on to me probably. My gate number is 6, so hopefully I don't have to walk more. Carrying a bag also, it's too heavy. Especially my laptop is very heavy. My note-taking device, Unix books is also very heavy. All heavy items. And I also have a sling bag.
Real and I really want us to be real with love, love that lasts. In the past I messed up, gave too much. What is it with time? Why can't we unwind? And all the hurt we deal with, I wanna leave my cares behind. And now that time has passed, I see why we are lonely. Ooh, should've let me speed it up. You could've had more of me. And now that time has passed, I see why we were lonely. Should've let me speed it up. You could've had more of me.
So finally I've boarded, and yep, excited to start the flight. Hopefully my parents will be shocked, and I can capture their expressions. It's so awkward flying without my husband. I think I'm used to it.
Now that time has passed, I see why we were lonely. Should've let me speed it up. You could've had more of me.
One episode, I ate my sandwiches. I'm excited. Half an hour more, then we will land, and I will give them surprise. I've landed. I don't know why I feel so happy. I guess this is what it feels. This is how it feels like landing successfully in spite of all your fears.
You say slow down. I don't like to move too fast. It drowns the truth with things that are not real, and I real.
Finally, my bag has arrived. Everywhere it has been a lot of delay. Flight में delay, baggage में delay. Oh sorry, flight में delay, take off में delay, फिर landing में delay, baggage में delay. Finally, I think God is trying to teach me patience. I'm super excited to surprise my family, but he's like, wait, Vanita, wait. इतनी भी क्या जल्दी है? तुम उनको सरप्राइज करना चाहती हो, मैं तुम्हें सरप्राइज करना चाहता हूँ. Oof, God. But at least I'm glad that I'm safe. Okay. We'll see you soon.
really want us to be real with love, love that
So finally boarded the cab, and it's showing 4:45. Let me check once again. Now it's 4:10. So yeah, in half an hour I'll be reaching home, and preferably I think at this point of time they might be sleeping. Sometimes they sleep at around this time. I'm not sure if they're gossiping or sleeping. Oh, finally.
ఆ గల్లు వచ్చింది. ఆ గల్లీలో పెద్ద గడ్డు ఉంది.
I'm so
డైరెక్ట్
excited.
దించిన కింద ఆరింది కారు.
Okay, time to call my husband. Bye.
last in the past I messed up, gave too much. What is it with time? Why can't we unwind? And all the hurt we deal with, I wanna leave my cares behind. And now the time has passed, I see why we are lonely.
Exactly 5 minutes left to reach my home. I've reached my house. One more twist. The lift is not working. So he's helping me out with the luggage. Whew. Surprise! Oh God! How are your faces? How is the surprise?
Awesome.
No, Mohit. Mohit, he's the first one to ask about you. Surprise! मम्मी तुम लोग कब आए? तुम लोग नहीं सिर्फ मैं. मम्मी मोटी डबल रोटी केंगरी नगर सरप्राइज.
मम्मा को पता है तू आ रही है?
किसी को भी नहीं पता है. क्या है?
अल्लाह ये छे सरप्राइज है.
चलो मोहित के औरंजे मम्मी डैडी के
ఏతా అయినావు?
नहीं
అఖిలి है तू?
रिसीव इट.
गंदी ఎంచిగరే तू చేती है ना?
आया है ना वो?
पटाखा और ये
पटाखे चलाएंगे. माचिस पड़ी है हमारे पास.
मारे तो मजे रहने.
ऊपर आ जाइए.
Yeah, I'm coming up.
हाँ, come.
मोहित चुप कर यार. अरे वो सच समझें था मोहित.
ऊपर आ जाइए.
माया का
वो मजाक करे दो डैड. मोहित ना आयो है. पांच कार सर्विस चले हुए है.
हाँ, वही सर्विस ले आया हुआ है.
हे भगवान.
इतने भी टाटा सर्विस है.
Did we record everything?
हाँ वो ही करा थी तू तो आना भी हाँ अच्छा तो चाहिए चले चलो ये डिसो सर्विस सेंटर पे बैठो है
इसका खाना कैसा?
हाउ इज माय सरप्राइज
Great. Unbelievable. And we also gave you surprise. No lift.
मग के इकरो सरप्राइज ना सरप्राइज मधा सरप्राइज
करे मैं ये क्या है, मैं फिर से देखा इधर कार नहीं है, कहीं भी नहीं है, देयर इज नोवेयर टू हाइड। फिर ये तो पक्का नहीं है। फिर मैं उसकी जाल से पूछा,
जाल
फिर बोला नहीं सर, नो डाले दो। फिर ऊपर फिर 5 फ्लोर्स ऊपर चढ़ के आया। फिर कंफर्म किया हाँ दिस इज नॉट शुड हैव कम यार। क्या है तू अकेले अकेले क्या है?
जो मैं डोनट చేస్తున్నారు కదా
How you manage food?
I hope Vanita has captured the entire experience.
हे भगवान उनके यही है आना भी कैप्चर ही हले तो एक
कैप्चर नहीं करे तू?
हाँ पार्ट 2 ये माइक कैमरा तू भी अच्छी भी हो हाय कर
You can speak now.
ये का बैठना चाहिए थी भैया। वीडियो कार्ड ऐसे निकालो वीडियो।
Now I'll give the phone to your wife. Daddy did not believe, at least for the first 5 minutes कि no he is there.
अभी भी ना प्रेस के
चलो डैडी
हाँ,
ना अभी बेल
वो धोबी वाले कपड़े देखे क्या बेल मारा, ठीक है? तो भी थॉट ओ इतने देर से खड़ा है पेशेंट से शायद आई थिंक चेक टेरेस शायद ऊपर चले गया नहीं अभी मोहित आएगा धोबी वाला बेचारे दुखी सा दिखा रहे तो घर ही है सोफा ही है।
बस यार वीडियो निकाले पूरे मैंने पूरे
क्यों भैया क्यों साथ में आना था ना
No, it was a vacation for her. So let's see how long.
बेचारा अंदर रोई के फील करके थे तो
and you don't have that maid also to cook for you.
cook is there not expert cook but yeah cook is there
Okay. Sometimes करना पड़ता है कभी कभी I did after 25 years खुद का खुद खाना खाया खुद का खुद पकाया 25 years तक she has not gone 25 years के बाद she had gone so and she is going alone never she has gone alone so she had to go all alone to by train